my routine from Monday to Sunday. Hello, my name is Aleida Herrera. This is my routine from Monday to Sunday. On Monday, I always head up to 5 a.m. Monday to Friday to get my son ready to go school. I make some coffee and sit down while my son takes a shower. We have breakfast and then I walk home to school. After I take a shower and I have ready to go work from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. When I go back home, I take a nap and I prepare the dinner and I watch the discs. And next, I use the computer to do the activities from the university. I go to bed around 10 p.m. On Saturday, I head up at 6 a.m. I take a shower. I have dressed, then I go to university. I have class the room from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. In the afternoon, I watch a movie with my family and be the nights we eat out or we go the shopping center. On Sunday, I have to around 9 a.m. and I have my breaks there. I do the laundry. I brush my hair. In the afternoon, I do the homework with my son. And when I finish, I take a long rest. At night, I go to the cinema with my family and we watch a movie together. When I get home, I drink hot chocolate and bread. And finally, I go to bed at 9 p.m. Because I have to get up early next day. I go to work. Thank you.